I'm Dennis Joy Bokod.
And I'm Rudy Lantixin. We're here to share our experience with the Maggie Learning Modules. Learning modules have helped us improve and enhance our cooking skills, especially for us beginners.
The techniques we learned have made our dishes more flavorful by simply following the steps.
Sautéing with a bit of oil adds flavor, and preparing all ingredients in advance makes the cooking smoother.
We highly recommend watching the Maggie Learning Modules so your cooking skills can be improved too.
Hi guys! We're here at Arapat as our community partner for Gulayan sa Tahanan. Hey!
Hi everyone, I'm Era Padilla.
And I'm Dennis J. Bokod.
And I am Rudy Lantixin.
And today we're making
A child with a fire's appetizer.
pinakbit the veg for our main dish.
Coco Mango Jello Frenzy as our dessert.
Our goal is to achieve a budget-friendly meal for a family of 4. A dish that you can prepare in no time.
Our main ingredients are papaya for appetizer,
Mixed vegetables for our main dish.
Coconut mango and gulaman for the dessert.
Let's dive right in!
Here's what we'll need today.
for appetizer,
For main dish,
And for the dessert.
make sure everything is pre-measured and ready to go. First, let's get our prep work done.
for our appetizer, peel the papaya first. Here's a quick tip. If the papaya is too big, cut it twice so that it is easy for you to grate it.
For our main dish, I'll start by washing our vegetables and cut them according to the right cut. Here's a quick tip when cooking in a pan. Fresh vegetables will have best flavor and texture.
And now for our dessert. Get a separate casserole and pour 8 cups of water and the gulaman. Here's a quick tip. When pouring the gulaman, make sure you're stirring it so it will mix thoroughly.
Preparing everything in advance makes cooking a lot easier. Now, we're going to combine everything.
As a pickled food, achara may support gut health, aiding digestion through beneficial bacteria from fermentation. Papaya is rich in vitamin C, promoting skin health and supporting the immune system. Achara is low in calories and can balance heavier dishes with a light, refreshing flavor. Coconut water in buku offers natural electrolytes like potassium, ideal for hydration. Gulaman, or also called agar, is low calorie and provides fiber, which can aid digestion and add bulk to diet. Pinakbit is loaded with vegetables like squash, eggplant, long beans, and okra, which provides essential vitamins A, C, K, and minerals, potassium, magnesium for immune support, skin health, and bone strength. The vegetables offer high fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain blood sugar levels. Adding pork provides protein for muscle repair and immune support, making it more filling and balanced.
pinakbet, achara, and buko and gulaman with mango are traditional Filipino dishes that together offer a balanced and nutritious meal. Together, these dishes form a nutrient-dense combination, balancing fiber, vitamins, minerals, and protein, while avoiding excessive calories and processed ingredients. Thank you so much for joining us. We hope you enjoyed these simple recipes.
Give it a try.
And let us know what you think in the comments. Happy cooking!